Hi, I'm Andrea Fjortoft.
And I'm Susie Beresford, and we're with Windermere North.
Welcome to our iconic new listing, the Mukilteo View Estate.
This waterfront beauty is settled on a double lot just minutes from the ferry to Whidbey Island and Paine Field, so any destination is within reach.
With schools just up the hill from here, we're located in one of the highest rated school districts in Washington State.
One of the first things you're going to notice when you walk into this house is all the wide open spaces for entertaining friends and loved ones to your heart's content.
Speaking of entertaining, this house showcases a pool overlooking the water, a home theater, an indoor basketball court, and an extravagant wine cellar.
Thank you for coming along on the tour with us of the Mukilteo View Estate.
If you're interested in making this house your home, please contact us and we'll be in touch shortly.